can't sign into or create an HP Smart account for Windows. This video describes what you can do if you are trying to sign in to your HP Smart account and an open HP Smart prompt displays in the web browser, or if the sign-in fails altogether. The two common solutions for this issue are to enable the prompt to open the HP Smart app, or to use HP Easy Start as a workaround. To enable the prompt, open the HP Smart app, and then sign in to your HP Smart account again. If an open HP Smart prompt displays, enable the Always Allow option to prevent future prompts, and then click Open or Open HP Smart. Selecting Cancel causes the sign-in to fail. If a prompt does not display and the sign-in issue persists, then you can use HP Easy Start as a workaround. You can download HP Easy Start from 123.hp.com/setup. Open HP Easy Start, follow the prompts, and then select Full Software and Drivers as the software solution. Once setup is complete, your printer is ready to use.